What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna fix the wind buffering for the Supra with the AWE Foilers. Let's do it, let's see if they work. Let's do it. Okay guys, so these are the foilers. They come like they're a little bit of glossy. Here I can see it. So it's a pair, one for each side, and it comes with the double-sided tape, a decal, and the instructions. Okay, so let's put it on the cars. Let's take it for a test drive to hear the wind buffering, and then after that we're gonna install them on the car. All right guys, so we're gonna test that. We're gonna see the wind buffering. Okay, so we're gonna go around the block. Let me put it in normal mode so we don't have too much noise. Regular mode. So let's lower the windows down. Okay, and let's hear the noise. Oh, it's green. Let's go. Let's see. Let's hear it. Right there. All right. Yeah. Man, it's very bad. Let's see if we can hear it again. Okay, it's around 40 miles. We get that noise. Okay, so I think it's louder when it gets to 50 miles per hour. Okay, when it gets to 50 miles, the noise is very bad, the wind buffeting. So let's fix that. Okay, let's install the double-sided tape. This one. So this is the correct way, like this, with the logo. The logo has to be facing up like this. So put this. Have one extra, so let's try this one. Okay, this is for this one. Okay, it fits perfectly on this spot, like this, in this indentation. It fits perfectly in there. So this one should be, which one? Let's see. Oh, are all the same? Okay, so this one I have to remove this because they all look the same. So yeah, have to remove the backing. So this one fit like this. Just push it with this one. I want to put my fingerprints on this. So since this one doesn't have a back, let's put this one first. Okay, let me show you. The Supra has a line here, so follow that line. I don't know if you can see it. There's a line here. Follow that line. Super easy. Wow. Nice. Yeah, I love it. Let's see if it touches the side mirrors when they fall in. Okay, let's see. Okay. No, still has a lot of space right there. You can see it. Amazing. Now let's put the other one. Okay. There's a line here, and you can see it. That's your guide, okay? To put this, put it right on that line, and that's the perfect spot for these foilers. Okay, so let's put this one. Let's do it. Okay, now both of the plastic foilers are installed, so let's test them and let's take it for a spin, and let's hear the difference. Let's do it. Okay, test number 2. Okay, 50. 60. Wow. Wow, no wind buffering. Alright, so those are the AWE foilers or foils. They are amazing. I went 60 miles per hour and no wind buffering. Amazing, I love it. You can see them. They blend pretty good with the color of the Supra. Amazing. I love it. You can see there the Supra nice and clean. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. What option are you using on your Supra to fix the wind buffering? Put it in the comments, okay? The link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.